Hi, it's Jeff Abel from the Abel team here in Estes Park, Colorado, and today we're going to take a look at the market stats from all of 2021, comparing them to the previous year. So let's get started. Sales for single-family homes were up 7.8% over 2020 and 2021. So we went up from 219 to 236 total units sold this past year, which is a significant increase. The next stat we want to look at are the average days on market in our single-family homes, which was down about 31%. So from about 87 days on market down to 60. So what we were seeing was as more and more homes were selling, they were selling quicker and quicker throughout the year. The big number that everybody wants to know about, usually when we're talking about market statistics, is that median sale price. And so we saw a significant median sale price increase for the year. From 2020 to 2021, our median home price went up about 26.4%. So with that median home price increase, that means our average median price went from $585 up to $739,500. That's a significant increase, and there are lots of reasons that play into why that happened. Obviously, the cost of building materials and the demand continued to go up, but here in Estes, we also saw something that we saw continue over from last year into this year, and that was the higher end market. That luxury market in Estes Park picked up even more. So for example, in 2019, we had 12 homes over $1 million selling the 80517 zip code. In 2020, that number jumped up to 28 homes sold in the $1 million plus range. And then in 2021, we were at 46. So the more homes we have in that higher range, and as the price point continued to move up, that's going to drive that median home price up in the statistics as well. The last number I wanted to touch on is just a December number, and that is the inventory. So as we wrapped up the month of December in the single family home category, we had a half month of inventory, which was down about 54% from where we were the previous year at the end of the year. So we moved into 2022 with exceptionally low inventory at half a month, and demand still outpacing the supply significantly. So we anticipate continuing to see home prices move up through the spring, and we will balance that out with some interest rate increases that come up. The next category we want to look at is the attached dwelling sales, and those are going to be our condos and townhomes here in the Estes area. And again, these numbers are for the 80517 zip code only. Sales were actually down 14.7%. We went from 144 sales in 2020 to 123 sales in 2021. For average days on market, it was very similar to what we saw in the single home category. In the average days on market for attached dwellings, we saw a decrease in that as well. About 57% is where we fell. So we went from 95 days on market to around 41 days on market. Median sale price for attached dwellings also increased, but it did not keep pace with the single family homes. We only saw about a 12.4% increase in the median home price for attached dwellings. What that means is the median home price for condos and townhomes went from $378,000 up to about $425,000 as far as the median price for the year. Finally, our December inventory ended roughly the same place as our inventory for single family homes. We were at 0.4 months of inventory, so just less than 2 weeks of inventory on the market. As far as our December inventory for attached dwellings, it was also down. We were at about 0.4 months, so just less than 2 weeks of inventory for attached dwellings. That's down about 43% from where it was at the end of December last year. So that's a quick snapshot of the Estes Park real estate market as we wrap up 2021 and move into 2022. If you have additional questions about the market, Julie and I would love to be a resource for you, so please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We want to be your resource for all things real estate in the Estes Valley. If you found this video helpful, or if you just like seeing Julie and I on your phone or your TV, be sure to hit that likes button and the subscribe. That way we show up and you get a notification every time we put out a new video. We would really appreciate that. That's super helpful for us as well. So again, thanks a lot. Have a great day.